I am Dr. Stephen, and welcome to Gentle Health, where we focus on helping people over 60 live with clarity, comfort, and confidence. Today, we are talking about something simple that can make a big difference for your vision. 4 natural bedtime drinks that can help repair and protect your eyes while you sleep. You may not believe it, but many of my patients have these ingredients in their kitchen already. And yet, every morning, they wake up wondering, why do my eyes feel worse than they did last night? Dry, gritty, burning, or even too blurry to read the paper. After 60, the body's overnight repair cycle slows down, circulation to the eyes weakens, and moisture drains faster. Instead of healing, your eyes may be quietly breaking down while you sleep. The good news is, these gentle drinks can give your eyes the support they need. The first drink is turmeric milk. Turmeric contains curcumin, a natural anti-inflammatory that keeps the tiny blood vessels in your eyes open and flexible. This helps oxygen and nutrients reach your retina during sleep. To make it more effective, add a pinch of black pepper and a little healthy fat, such as coconut oil, for better absorption. Many patients have told me their morning burning and dryness eased within weeks of drinking it. Now move to the second drink, chamomile tea. Most people think of chamomile for sleep, but it also relaxes the tiny muscles behind your eyes that work all day while you read, watch television, or look at screens. It contains apigenin, which gently calms the nervous system, helping those muscles truly rest. Steep it for 8 to 10 minutes, drink it about an hour before bed, and notice how much more refreshed your eyes feel in the morning. The third drink is saffron tea. Saffron contains crocin and saffronal, which improve circulation to the retina and protect the light-sensitive cells that help you see clearly. Just a few threads steeped in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes is enough. This drink is especially helpful if you struggle with night vision, see halos around lights, or notice haziness when driving after dark. And now, the final drink is almond milk. It is rich in vitamin E, healthy fats, and tryptophan. Vitamin E protects eye tissues from oxidative damage. The healthy fats help your body absorb vital nutrients, and tryptophan supports melatonin production for better sleep. A small, warm cup, about half a glass, before bed can help you wake up with less dryness, less strain, and sharper focus. Remember, you do not need all 4 in one night. Choose just one based on what your eyes need most. If it is burning and dryness, start with turmeric milk. For tension and strain, choose chamomile tea. For night vision problems, try saffron tea. And for deeper sleep and moisture, almond milk is a gentle choice. Drink it warm, not hot, in a small amount, about 4 to 6 ounces, around 60 to 90 minutes before bed. This is not just a health tip, it is a nightly ritual. A quiet moment that tells your body and your eyes, you have worked hard all day. Now it is time to rest and repair. If you found this helpful, please like this video, share it with someone who cares about their vision, and subscribe to Gentle Health. Take care of your eyes tonight. They have been taking care of you all day.